You should consider replacing a watch crown when it becomes loose, wobbly, hard to turn, or doesn't stay pushed in, as these issues can indicate wear and tear or damage that could lead to further problems, like water damage or the watch stopping. Today, we shall undertake the replacement of this worn crown. As you can observe, its edges are significantly abraded, necessitating its substitution with a new component. I shall proceed to detach the existing crown from the stem and affix the replacement. The watch will be restored to proper function. This crown has suffered deterioration over years of usage. The denuded grooves and discolored surface are a testament to this wear. Conversely, the replacement crown exhibits pristine, well-defined grooves and a vibrant hue. This replacement is therefore essential. The crown's degradation is a natural consequence of its frequent winding, and to ensure the watch may be wound with precision, we shall install this new crown, characterized by its intact grooves.